Welcome to Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add background on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint and then open any document. In my case I am opening the blank presentation, and then select your slide and then right click on mouse, then click on format background. That's it. On the right side you can find fill, and you can see so many options: solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill, and you can choose any type of background for your document or presentation. Suppose if I select pattern fill, from here you can add any kind of pattern for your presentation background. Suppose if I select the background, and you can see background has been added successfully. Now if you want to change your background color, just click here and then you can choose any color. If I select red color, and that's it, you can see the color has been changed successfully. And that way you can set solid fill, gradient fill for your background. And that is how you can add background on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.